Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
I will show you how to capture 360 video with the GoPro Max. Insert a 64 GB micro SD card and a fully charged battery before shooting. Power on the camera and update firmware when prompted to ensure stability. Set mode to 360 VR and choose 6K 30 for highest flexible resolution and better stabilization. Mount the camera on a selfie pole or tripod with the lenses level to the horizon for minimal stitching issues. Frame your scene and check position people and objects at least 3 feet away from the camera to reduce parallax and stitching errors. Use linear orientation for many scenes and lock exposure when bright highlights are in frame to avoid flicker. Record in short clips of 1 to 3 minutes to simplify editing and to avoid file corruption. Use the built-in stabilization and avoid rapid camera rotation to reduce motion sickness for viewers. Monitor battery and heat. Stop and cool the camera after long continuous recording sessions to preserve performance. Transfer your files to a computer and open GoPro Player or similar stitching software to process raw 360 footage. Export a stitched equirectangular 360 file at the original 6K resolution for VR players and archival use. To create conventional videos, reframe inside GoPro Player using keyframes to compose shots and export a flat 16:9 timeline at 4K or 1080p. Check horizon leveling and horizon lock when reframing to avoid jarring rotations. Compress with H264 or H265, depending on delivery, and upload to platforms that support 360 playback.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.